Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore Microsoft Project online schedules from backups, detailed guide step by step clearly. Begin by logging into your Microsoft Project online account. Navigate to the Project Center from the main dashboard. Identify the specific project schedule you wish to restore. Now, locate the Settings gear icon in the upper right corner. Click on the gear icon and select Site Contents from the drop-down menu. In the Site Contents area, look for Site Assets or Documents. Open the folder containing your backup files. If your backups are organized by date, find the most recent backup file. Download the backup file to your local computer for easy access. Next, return to the Project Center. Select New Project to create a new project schedule. Once in the new project, click on the Import option. Select the backup file you downloaded from your local system. After the file is uploaded, check for any prompts or notifications. Review the import summary carefully for any errors. If everything looks good, confirm the import process. The schedule will now be populated with your restored data. Navigate back to the Project Center to view your restored project. You can now make any necessary adjustments to the schedule. Finally, communicate the updates to your team as needed. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.